You gonna introduce them on there, or you want to introduce them when we come back when they finish the work? Did they do this work? They did the work on this truck over here too. So they're gonna paint the rims on that one white.
Hey guys, what's going on today? I'm with my main man, Jose, Spotless Detail.
Hey.
I see the work that he done on the black Peterbilt. You know, the wing of the rims. So we're getting ready to do the white Peterbilt today. So, hey, baby got up before. It's just solid chrome. And we're gonna do them solid white, match the truck with the chrome inserts. You know, play with it a little bit. And Jose, you got anything you want to tell us?
If you work for me, just hit me up, man.
That's right.
Spotless Detail.
I'll put your information on the bottom of the video.